All right, we're going to move on to student work for the lesson that you were assigned last time. And this is a problem that a lot of you saw in an earlier lesson. And the first thing that we need to do whenever we have one of these recipes and we're trying to find the part that is or the percent that is a certain ingredient, we need to find out the total in each recipe. And I did not do anything different. This is 10, 5, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 6, 7, that's 13, 18, 20, 25. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at recipe A. I have 2 cups of raisins. The total cups in recipe A is 10. I'm going to go ahead and get my calculator ready to go. And make sure I get the calculator app here. All right. So we are going to do 2 divided by 10, which is 2/10 or 0.2. We multiply that number times 100, and that changes it into the percent for us. Many of you did this successfully on our last lesson, but we want to make sure that you're having enough practice so that you get a better, stronger handle on this. The next one, our amount of raisins was 4 out of 20 total cups. I'm not picking these numbers out of the air. I'm going right up here, okay, right up there. And for this last one, that is where I'm getting my information. So then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the math again. 4 divided by 20. Wow, same thing. And so I'm going to guess if I take this number times 100, I'm going to get 20%. It's kind of interesting. Let's see what happens with the last recipe. Last recipe is 5 cups of raisins for 25 total cups. And our math then is 5 divided by 25, which equals 20%. Let's try that one more time. 5 divided by 25 equals. Okay. So which recipe has the greatest concentration of raisins? All are equal. Sometimes we're going to throw one of those tricky ones in there for you. And let's take a look at this. Next thing that we're going to be asked to do is find the perimeter of each shape. So for our perimeter, we are going to be adding up the edges, just like when we did our toothpicks and tiles. Now, the weird thing about this one is this part right here and this part right here are going to be the same. So, and I know that because this is a rectangular shape. And so this is the same, and that's going to be 10 down there. And let's go ahead and pull all these numbers from up above. We are going to start with this corner, 10 plus 7 plus 10 plus 2. And our last number to add is 7 and 28 hundredths. All right, so there's no decimals over there, so we can take this right down all by itself. And remember, this is just a scribble scratch mistake that I made. So we're going to go 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Our perimeter around the outside edge of this shape, that composite shape, made of a triangle and a rectangle combined together, is 36 and 28 hundredths inches. Our perimeter of our triangle, again, we're going to only take the numbers on the outside, add them up, and we get 36 meters. There you go.